I will show you how to create an animated gradient background. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Prepare a solid background and put 4 color gradients. Choose whatever color of your choice. Add adjustment layer and put turbulence displace on it. Change the displacement into twist and adjust the amount and size. Click Alt while clicking the evolution and type time aesthetic 50. By the way, it's perfectly fine if you want to increase the amount and size until it got holes on it. Now add motion tile but put it above the turbulence displace. Increase the output height and weight until the holes got covered. And don't forget to check the mirror edges. I will put a bit texture here using noise. I won't put it too much. And of course, you still can change the color of your background whatever you choose. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!